Come back, I will show you how to make tiger nut milk with banana and coconut. So if you have not tested tiger nut drink, you need to try this. So to make this tiger nut milk, you will need dry or fresh tiger nuts. You need to carefully select and remove any dirty or sand from the tiger nut. I will carefully wash the tiger nuts, then soak the tiger nut for about 12 hours or more to soften. Tiger nut is a good source of vitamins and minerals. It will help to promote digestion, gut health. It is high in antioxidants and will help to lower cholesterol level. So when I'm done washing the tiger nuts, I will add it into a bowl, then add enough water and allow it to soak for about 12 hours. So after soaking for about 12 hours, you can notice that the tiger nut has increased in size. So I'm going to remove it from the water, then rinse again. This creamy tiger nut milk, I'll be making use of coconuts. I'll be using small amounts of coconut to avoid too much oil. Adding ginger, which will give this drink a spicy taste. I have banana. Banana will add flavor and creamy taste to this drink. I'll also be using date, which I'm going to remove the seed. You can use any sweetener of your choice. And the reason why I'm using date is because I want this drink to be free from artificial sweetener. So when I'm done, I'm going to add all the ingredients into the blender. So I'll be adding 2 cups of water. You can decide to adjust the quantity of water that you add. To avoid your tiger nuts going sour, use cold water or ice block while blending. So when I'm done, I'm going to cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the juice. You can decide to use cheesecloth or chiffon cloth. Then press to get the milk. You can store the tiger nut milk in a container and put in the fridge and use. This tiger nut milk is made with zero sugar or sweetener. It is a healthy and natural African drink that you can enjoy. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this healthy and refreshing tiger nut milk with coconut and banana. This tiger nut has a lot of health benefits and I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.